Almost ran over this guy right here. Look at him. Oh my God. Look at that guy. He was not happy with me almost running him over. Yeah. Well, might have damaged the engine. Just shut off on me. I was trying to lean it out. Probably not the best place to lean it out in this fucking midnight run trail. I have no idea where that's at. I just pushed it a couple 100 feet. Just push it up there, all that. I think I can get out through over here. GPS isn't loading correctly. I only did 8 miles. I think I did 8 miles in the Vista Loop. So, not too terribly far, but I'm pretty far. Getting the fuck out of here. I just gotta go up this little guy and I think I can get to the access road. Hopefully. Otherwise, it's gonna be a long day. Which also means I probably gotta take this shitty 450 to fucking Cloudcroft. The struggle is real. So close to freedom. So close to freedom. This is like hike ADV at its finest. Probably gonna lose like 10 pounds. Still out of shape. Did nothing. Gotta give her a good old 1-2. Here we go. Oh, bam. Oh, all right. I just gotta drag this bitch up. I should just start, you fucking piece of shit. Oh. Of course. My back tire's in the precipice of falling. These rocks are like dragging her again. Oh, I got it. If it was sun out, I'd be fucked hard. I've literally, in 36 minutes, I've only managed to push my bike 0.13 miles, a tenth of a mile. Officially have got it out of Midnight Run creek bed. Fuck. This is just great training. Your help. Well, I thought there was help, and there is none. Making good progress. Good progress. Fuck. Oh. Heck, ADV sucks. I still don't know how far I am from the car. But I literally just spent an hour just going up just 4 ledges.
No good, bro.
Yeah, where's the exit at?
I don't know.
No?
I'm trying to find it myself.
Yeah, I came through the river, but my bike overheated and it won't start.
Oh, God.
Yeah. I was trying to look at my phone, but it won't load up. But I want to say it's this way, though.
Well, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, grab my helmet.
Is the battery dead now?
No, it was just weird, like the bike just cut out on its own.
Well, it's probably got an overheat protection.
Yeah.
So my guess would be, is that a BRZ 400?
Yeah.
My guess would be that when it comes back down to temperature, it should start. I would imagine that once it gets to a certain, temperature or overheating, it's gonna cut off the ignition. That's just a guess.
Yeah, it's not doing anything now. It's not clicking. It's like the relay went bad or something. Let me gotta grab my helmet too. Goodness gracious.
Yeah, just stand right on this thing right here.
Yeah.
I do it all the time. And you can actually stick your arm right. Yeah, put 2 feet up on there. Stick your arm right here. Get it. Come up. There you go. That's fine. You feel good, right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah, I put a new carburetor on and I was leaning it out, and I think I might have fucked the engine up.
So that could have been, if it was running too lean, it could have been what made it overheat. Oh yeah, see, we're right by the campground, man.
Oh. Did I push my bike that far?
Yeah, that ain't bad.
I literally pushed my bike like a 1/4 mile on that riverbed.
Oh, you pushed it on the riverbed?
Yeah.
Yeah. Appreciate you, brother. Hey, nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, nice to
Good
see
luck.
you.
Remember, LZ3 is you know, that's where we were at, remember?
Okay.
LZ3.
Alrighty, sir.
And then you're right kind of up the road from that.
Okay.
Good luck to you, man.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bike overheated. It's kind of tight in here.
A little tight. Look, it's in back. My wife normally rides there, so she's short.
You don't mind me getting ass sweat all over your seat?
No, it's fine.